Alright, so I got the other key for the other diesel truck, the 84. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. So we're going to start that up. I know the one brake hangs up on the back, but hopefully we can get it out because I do need that tarp. So blue on, yeah, blue interior and then silver outside, but yet it has green doors, so I'm guessing the doors were replaced. From the information I found from this should have wing windows like Betty has. I haven't been in here and started this for a while. I think the battery's good. Lights on, or batteries I should say, because they have two. See the glow plug light? See what happens. Yeah. Venture to say it starts a little better than the other truck. But you can see it does have AC. I don't think that fan motor likes to turn. So let's see if we can get this one out of here. Really dirty in here. I don't even think, yeah, the wipers don't work in this truck. Yeah. Spin the tire, so it must be the one tire on the driver's side rear. It's trying to go. There we go. Come on, girl. Take this up. Try and get Betty started. But if I do a start video on that, I'll probably do it in a separate video. I gotta get the jumper cables out of the F-150. Set you down for a minute, guys. Be right back. Gotta open the hood. So as you can see, it is an AC truck. I got all documentation of this truck from the factory. Window sticker, manual, blah blah blah. See, it's got some dents and stuff in her. But overall, it's a solid truck. I like how the exhaust dumps out before the rear end. You can see a tailpipe above the leaf spring.